We did it, boys. We did it. I called it yesterday. I said the goal for this weekend was 50 units, and we went up 50 units alone yesterday in college football. So congrats to everybody that took advantage of the discount on VIP. I'm telling you guys, if you guys are not on VIP yet, go up here to the Winible. It's winnable.com/907fantasy sports. You're not going to regret it. I gave a guarantee on the VIP as well that if we didn't win this weekend, I'd give you the whole next week for free. And we ended up cashing huge. We went up 50 units yesterday, so I am jacked about that, and I called it. So we're up this week alone. We're up 62 units, I believe it is. So we've had a good week, and we're just going to carry that straight into NFL Sunday. And we got some plays for you today. But we got to recap what happened yesterday, because not only did we win 50 units, we went up a bunch, but we also lost quite a few plays by just barely. One being Oklahoma State versus Utah. They benched Alan Bowman for almost 2 quarters, or a good chunk of the game. They put him back in the fourth, and he threw for 100 yards in 2 or 3 drives there in the fourth. So that was a real bummer. We missed on him because they benched him for a little bit. And that was a stupid decision by the coach, but, came as a loss there. So we ended up missing on that one. And then same with Iowa State. They just came out and they just completely dominated that game, and we're up by 30 at half, or I think it was by 30 at half. And they just took out their starters. So all the starting quarterback, wide receivers, all that, they took them out. So we ended up missing there as well. But let's hop into what we actually did win, because we won a shizload, and we won a 50x. So go ahead and let's hop into that. But we won this 50x over on Dabble. So this is where I've been playing with a lot of these college football. They allow you to pair up quarterback and wide receiver for passing and receiving yards, where a lot of the other apps, they don't allow you to do that. You can do passing yards and receptions, or receptions and completions, or passing yards and longest catch, but they don't allow you to correlate it with passing yards and receiving yards. But we hit this 50x over there. If you guys are new to Dabble, go ahead and use the code 907fantasy over there, and they're going to give you $25 of free money. You don't even have to enter any credit card information or payment information or anything like that. Just use the code 907fantasy when you sign up, and they're going to give you $25 of completely free money to go play with. And after seeing the rest of these, you're going to want to go sign up. So that link's going to be down in the description below to get signed up. So we hit this 50x here. We hit this one over on Sleeper Fantasy. It was one of the discounted props with Arch Manning. We hit that one for a nice little 3x payout. We hit this one with Cam Ward, Restrepo, Hunter, and Sanders. That one came down to the overtime there for that one and the Hail Mary. But we hit that 5x there. And I was hedging a lot of these, and I'm still debating on whether or not I should keep hedging, because the payouts would have been a lot higher. So probably next week I won't be hedging, but on all of these this week I did hedge, so it is what it is. We hit a lot of the 1.5x's where you miss one player, so we hit probably 20 or 30 of those as well. But I'm just not going to add those in here because we didn't hit all 4 of them, or 5 or 6 of them. So we hit that little one there. Hit this one as well for a 4 or 5x 4-man payout with Oklahoma under and TCU over. Hit this little 5x. We hit this 25x with Ward, Restrepo, Hunter, Mendoza, King, and Rutherford. We hit this 5x or 25x with Restrepo, Mendoza, and then the Ole Miss quarterback and wide receiver. The Ole Miss wide receiver and quarterback too, we're taking their overs, man. We're taking them over all the time. Trey Harris, his line was at 91.5. He went out and got 225 receiving yards. As a freaking wide receiver, that is wild. He is on one. So we're taking his over all the time. But we hit this little, this was a discounted prop, I believe, as well, with Arch Manning over on PrizePicks. $5 into $20. We hit this 4-man over on BETR We hit this 3-man over on Underdog with one of the discounted props with Luther Burden. And then we matched that up with the Ole Miss quarterback, wide receiver, Darton Harris. We hit this 2-man. This was the free play I gave out yesterday on the channel over on Chalkboard. So we ended up hitting that one. We hit this one with Cam Ward and Travis Hunter over on Chalkboard as well. Hit this 5X on Dabble. This was the other free play I gave out on YouTube yesterday with Jack Betch and Donovan Edwards. We hit that one. So we went 2 for 2 on the free plays for YouTube, and then we went 1 for 1. So we hit all 3 free plays that I gave out yesterday. But then we hit this 10X with over on Dabble, and then we hit this 2-man. This was the other free play I gave out. We hit this 2-man. Easily hit this 2-man over on Sleeper Fantasy. Hit this 4-man. This 4-man. Hit this 2-man over on Chalkboard. Hit this 25X. The funny part about this 25X is I accidentally put it in twice, but we ended up hitting both of them. So can't complain there. That was an extra profit there. So an extra 25X there. So we hit that one and that one. Same exact play. But yeah, hit both of them for 25X. And then we went up 50.5 units yesterday. So that was an amazing day, and we're looking to have another great day today. And we got some plays over on Sleeper Fantasy. If you guys are new to Sleeper, go ahead and use the code 907fantasy over there, and they're going to match your deposit up to $100. So you'll have $100 to go and play with to play on these discounted props. We have one with Bijan Robinson where he's discounted to 56.5 rushing yards. And then we have one with CeeDee Lamb where he's discounted to 68.5 receiving yards. So make sure to take advantage of both of those. That's going to be over on Sleeper Fantasy. Now, all of these plays are going to be up here on the Winible. It's Winible.com/907fantasy sports. Make sure to go over there. Get signed up for the Sunday Pass. Sunday Pass is going to get you all the plays today for $50. Now, if you use the code NASH, that's going to get you if you use the code NASH, it's going to get you 80% off. So what would that be? That would be $10, I believe. So $10 for this weekend's pass, or for Sunday Pass for NFL. And going up 50 units yesterday, don't freaking miss out on this opportunity. Go ahead and get signed up. Use the code NASH. Get 80% off. That's only for the first 15 people as well. So make sure to go take advantage of that. And I'll give you one free play here. CeeDee Lamb over 68.5 receiving yards. And then we're going Brock Bowers. He's been Gardner Minshew's safety net there. He's been just cashing them. He had 9 or 10 receptions last game. He's been playing phenomenal for the Raiders as a rookie. We're taking his over 4.5 receptions, and then we're matching that up with Gardner Minshew over 175 passing yards. Now they're playing Carolina today, so that's why this is an easy play. Carolina's just dog water. They're dog shit. So take the over, nice little $10 into $32 for that one over on Sleeper. So make sure you play $10 on them. That's the max you can play on these discounted props. But get that one. And then if you want all the other VIP plays for this weekend, that's going to be up on the Winible. So take advantage of all of that. Now, if you're going to be telling me on this play with Gardner Minshew, Brock Bowers, and CeeDee Lamb, let me know down in the comments below. Let me know if you guys tailed me on the plays yesterday as well and you ended up cashing big. So good luck with all your plays today. Let's go have another amazing day and just go up 10 more units today. With all of your plays today, good luck, and we'll see you guys next time.